all QLED TVs are the same. Experience real QLED with Samsung. Presenting the 65-inch Samsung QLED Vision AI TV. Samsung's quantum dot technology is designed to provide the real QLED experience. The quantum dots are microscopic semiconductors, producing different colors of light that enable the most detailed color expression. The QLED 4K Vision AI TV runs on the Q4 AI processor for fast image processing, with a focus on simplicity. The 65-inch Samsung QLED Vision AI TV features a thin profile and thin bezels. QLED TVs are able to produce 100% color volume and over 1 billion colors for vivid quality. And nuanced shades for more depth and clarity. Giving users a more realistic viewing experience. All Samsung QLED TVs start at 4K resolution. With higher brightness, vibrant colors, and better upscaling ability. It also has Samsung TV Plus. It is an app that offers a wide range of free programming, including news, sports, and entertainment. Purchases of the 65-inch Samsung QLED Vision AI TV include the option to avail the Samsung Care Plus Premium, which is an extended coverage plan covering scheduled checkups and servicing for only 5,799 pesos per year. Samsung is also offering promos on Samsung QLED and other Vision AI TV, including free installation services, free soundbar, and a freestyle smart projector, worth up to 132,000 pesos. Visit the official Samsung website for more details on the QLED Vision AI TV and other offerings.